Welcome to the new Polycoat Products website. I will be showing you some of the new and improved features of the site and how to navigate them. The first thing you will see is the top section with video clips and a short introduction. From here you can scroll down and see the products and industries we serve section with the new graphic wheel. We've added a color-coded graphic wheel which will help users quickly navigate our product technologies and what we do at Polycoat, as well as give insight into the market segments in which these products are used. The top half is the product technologies and bottom half is market segments. You can hover your mouse over the different sections of the wheel to see a brief description of each technology and market segment. Clicking through will take you to each of the product landing pages on the top or segment landing pages on the bottom. When I click the waterproofing and deck coating systems button, you can see it takes me to that specific landing page. At the top you will see a brief overview and more information as you scroll down. Some landing pages have less information, but waterproofing is a bit more comprehensive than others, so I think this is a good example to walk through. On this page, you will see another wheel that goes through the waterproofing products resources. We're excited about the new resources we've added, including product calculators, architectural details, media, and much more. If you don't see what you're looking for within the wheel, you can scroll down to see technical data by product category, technical resources, and media section with links. Going back to the wheel, when you click on a section, here you can see pedestrian decking systems. It takes you to another landing page. From this page you can get more information just for pedestrian decking systems. One of the great new features of the site is the addition of landing pages for every product and system. Let me first show you a system landing page. All of the important information is now easily visible right away. This includes descriptions that you'd find on the data sheets, as well as technical resources and system calculators. On the right side is pictures and media as you scroll down. Links to the products can be found at the bottom of the page. When you click the View Product button, it goes to the product landing page. This page gives similar information to the system page, but for the product only. On the top right, there are packaging images with new labels applied. Job site and application photos will be added here as we acquire them for each product. These product pages will be a great resource for sales and clients out in the field. We plan to add QR codes on each label that would link to the specified page with all useful technical data and resources. At the bottom of the page is a list of related products. Let's go back to the home page, which you can do by clicking the logo at the top. I'll now show you how to navigate the market segments on the bottom of the main wheel. You can hover your mouse over to see a brief description on the right and image within the circle. When you click through, you are led to a landing page with a comprehensive drop-down list of where a technology can be used. Under each of these will be a product link that leads to the product page. We are hoping this will be a great resource for potential clients and anyone else who wants to see a scope of where technology can be applied. Another feature is quick links. When you go back to the home page, there is a quick links button on the top right. Clicking that takes you to a quick links page with a drop-down of all products listed on the site. Any product page or data sheet can be found here under its category title. Also, I want to go over more links that are on the header of the website. I won't go into every detail or page, but you can access an About Us page, a drop-down with links to resources, and a link to the main contact page with a list of employees in fillable form. We've removed the employee emails on the page to avoid any spam. Lastly, on the bottom of the homepage are project profiles, upcoming trade shows, social media, and the footer with links to more useful resources. There's more to explore on this new website, but we hope this helps you get a basic overview of the features and how to navigate.